Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers Word, and I am sharing with you some important idioms which you can write, which you can use in writing and speaking. If you are aspiring 6.5, 7 band in both modules, they are very useful, important, and add taste to your writing and speaking. A fair weather friend. First idiom is a fair weather friend means a selfish friend, a person who does not help you in your difficult situation but pretends to be one of your very close friend. And the sentence can be like that: a fair weather friend leave a man in lurch. Leave a man in lurch means alone or in trouble. And the second is flesh and blood. Flesh and blood means blood relationship or any relationship which is very strong, like relationship between true brothers, true siblings. The people of Kashmir are our own flesh and blood. The people of Kashmir are our own flesh and blood. Next is eyewash, means cheating, deceit, or deceiving someone. The small increase in the salary of employees is a mere eyewash. Is a mere eyewash. So something which is not very important, but it is shown in a such a way that this is very important. So that is called eyewash. Next is next is number 4. From hand to mouth means in a very poor condition where the things are not easily managed, or what is earned that is eaten or consumed on the same day. So most of the people in these days live from hand to mouth, as there is a shortage of jobs and rampant unemployment. So most of the people in my country are living from hand to mouth. Next is number 5. To get into hot water means to get into some difficulty or in some trouble, difficult time. He got into trouble by refusing the orders of his boss. He got into trouble. He got into hot water by refusing the orders of his trouble. So many people get into trouble when they do not wear mask and they are caught by the police and fined heavily. Next is hue and cry. Hue and cry means a general outcry of an alarm, means raising voice against a system. Farmers of India raised a hue and cry against new farm laws. Hue and cry. Next is hard nut to crack. Hard nut to crack means a problem which is difficult to solve. For example, getting 7 band in IELTS is just like a hard nut to crack. And the sentence over here, the water dispute between Punjab and Haryana has proved a hard nut to crack for the central government. Unemployment problem is just like a hard nut to crack for Indian government. In the full swing means in the full momentum, in full speed, or what we can say that to the maximum limit. The rains have started in full swing. Only few companies in India are working in the full swing. My business is going on in the full swing. Next, number 9 is in vogue. In vogue means something which is in trend or in fashion. Mini skirts are in vogue in these days. In these days, many Punjabi students are moving to foreign countries for higher studies. Or we can say that in Punjab, it is a vogue. It is a vogue to go to Canada for higher study. And the last one is ins and outs. Ins and out means full information, full detail. I know all the ins and outs of my father's business. I try to know all the ins and outs of IELTS course. My brother wants to know about all the ins and outs of Canadian education visa system. So thank you guys for watching these 10 idioms. I hope that you will find them useful.